The X1800 Prime Mixer is the centerpiece of the Denon DJ Prime Series system. Let's take an overview of some of its creative performance and DJ workflow features. The X1800's 4 line faders are 60mm throw, are smooth and durable, each with 5 selectable channel inputs covering digital and analog line in, phono, USB and DVS2. The crossfader features Denon DJ's legendary flex fader technology, refined for the X1800. This features a user-adjustable tension control. Both the line fader and crossfader have individual contour adjustment available. Coarse, fine, smooth and abrupt audio control can be customized easily. Once the DJ has set a preferred contour position, this can be digitally locked for safety using the user menu system, and quickly unlocked from the top panel to return to an adjustable contour mode. It's also possible to lock out and unlock the X1800 Prime's crossfader channel assign and through switches using the same method. This is great for avoiding accidental switching when a DJ performs fast scratch, cuts and turntablist movements. The X1800 ships with communication protocol Engine Connect set to auto. For a connected SC5000 Prime media player, its channel is intelligently assigned based on where it is plugged into the rear network hub. To remix the channel assignments, press and hold the Engine Connect button. This will call up the manual configuration screens on the SC5000 players. Aside from the transfer of audio files from a single media source between multiple SC5000s, Engine Connect enables digitally accurate tempo data to be read by the X1800 Prime. If the tempo is changed using the active player's pitch slider, the X1800 follows this movement and assigns precise data to its BPM and sweep effects. This ensures all effects always stay locked into the current track's BPM. Engine Connect also visually interprets the currently playing SC5000, showing the on-air active platter colors and matching the X1800's channel cue lights accordingly. Auto beat calculation is also possible without Engine Connect. Hold the tap button to engage. Effects time can also be manually adjusted with the FX Time encoder. Changeable in single-digit BPM and tenths of a BPM too. The manual tap button takes user-added tap info, recalculating tempo over 4 beats. The X1800 Prime features 4 tactile and expressive dual sweep effects. With this choice of 4, dub echo, washout, noise and gate, rotating the sweep effects knob left gives one variation sonic result, while sweeping to the right selects an alternative though complementary version. It should be noted that per channel, the dual sweep effects can be applied simultaneously with the filter, EQ control, and the 12 BPM effects too. The X1800 low-pass and high-pass filter is sweepable with a single knob and provides powerful and rich-sounding filtering for each of the 4 individual channel inputs. The resonance or intensity of the filter effect can be customized easily via the user menu screen and switched on or fully off if desired. Each of the X1800's 4 input channels gives the DJ a choice of traditional EQ for the low, mid and high frequencies, but with the added bonus of ISO or isolation EQ, this brings a full kill capability for each channel and a much wider frequency range per band. The dual audio interfaces of the X1800 enable DJs to connect and control their preferred DJ software. The channel input source is easily selected between USB 1 and 2 by rotating to USB input and switching between the desired device. The X1800 Prime also functions as a 10-channel audio interface to a DJ's favorite DAW. This functionality brings, for example, an exciting feature of recording 4 separate stereo pairs up from the X1800 channel faders, as well as a 5th pair from the master output. This enables a full DJ set to be recorded, remixed and re-edited. The X1800 is fully class compliant for Mac computers, and a Windows driver is available from the Denon DJ website. The X1800's menu-driven BPM effects include 12 classic Denon DJ effects, which can be edited, adjusting effect, time and feedback with a dedicated and visual sweep control to target low to high frequency ranges. Each of the 4 channel faders, crossfader A and B, microphone and the main master can be selected as the BPM effects audio source. Effects can be fed into the DJ mix using the familiar on-off wet-dry functionality. This engage button can also be customized to a DJ's preferred FX in color. The handy effects cue button puts the live effect into the DJ's headphones without actually enabling the effect. With the cue mix to the center position, the level is controlled by the wet and dry mix knob. The X1800 Prime features an innovative and dynamic time division touch strip. Setting the wet-dry mix for overall effects level and tapping the instant button, the DJ can use just one finger to simultaneously add the effect and sweep or jump through different beat time divisions. Let's listen to some of these superb effects and how the X1800 hardware can control them.
Solution for the old who's having all that my future with.
The X1800's OLED screen menu is a fully featured system for customizing effects, hardware settings and EQ to a DJ's preferred workflow. Entering utility mode gives access to a multitude of adjustable parameters and feature behavior changes. For example, if not using Engine Connect, manually changing X1800Q button color to match the VL12 turntable's platter LED, manually reorder the BPM effects list, and change or make custom patterns in the beat breaker effect. The dual microphone inputs of the X1800 Prime feature independent level control, dual mic on and off buttons, and an overall low and high EQ control. The talkover button engages a volume dip in the main mix output with a level control and normal or fast resume adjustable in the utility menu. Headphone monitoring features classic split Q switching, level control, Q and master mix adjustment, plus a useful 1/8 inch jack for when the DJ may lose or forget their headphone adapter. Other top panel controls on the X1800 include the main mix master level, the booth output level, the pan control for left and right, plus crossfader and channel fader start selector switches. The X1800 Prime mixer features class-leading audiophile quality 24-bit 96K sound. Built with legacy-ingrained Denon DJ rugged metal construction, it has a comprehensive digital and analog in and out connectivity for the most demanding of professional DJ environments. The rear of the unit houses all main balanced and unbalanced output connections, the 4-channel digital and analog line inputs, phono ins, and the digital out and daisy chain link. The X1800 Prime is also DVS upgrade ready. The 4 link connections act as a hub to network multiple SC5000 Prime media players, with a 5th connection available to a PC. There's no need for additional hubs or routers. A useful left-right channel send and receive routing gives DJs and artists even more flexibility to bring in external effects units to tailor their sound. The X1800's 5-pin MIDI out connection sends MIDI clock data, enabling the tempo synchronization of drum machines and synth units to the DJ's playing track. Set these units as a slave and the X1800 performs master duties. Thank you for watching this X1800 Prime feature presentation. Please visit denondj.com for more info, news and downloads, plus the official Denon DJ forum for X1800 Prime discussion, info, resources and support.